I'm Laura. Welcome to my channel, Ask My Lawyer Mom. You can find me at lhuntlaw.com. Been practicing for about 15 years and I get a lot of questions about personal injury law. This is what we specialize in, and all different areas. This channel is designed to answer those questions, and a lot of those questions come from my own family and my own kids.
Hi, I'm Rylan.
And he has some questions for me today about whether or not insurance companies, your insurance company, can raise your rates if you have an accident.
If someone gets in an accident and it's not their fault, can their insurance company raise their rates?
That's a good question, and a lot of people think that they can, but in Nevada, they cannot. If you get in an accident and it's not your fault, that's very, very key, it's not your fault, then they cannot raise your rates.
Is there a specific law that prevents them from raising their rates?
Yes, there is. This law has been codified by statute in the state of Nevada, and it can be found at NRS 687B385. And that statute specifically states that they cannot cancel you, not renew your policy, or raise your rates if you have an accident that's not your fault.
What if my insurance company says it's my fault and it's not?
That is a good question, and that happens sometimes. And what sometimes I've seen insurance companies do over all these years is your own insurance company will try to claim it's your own fault because they want to raise your rates. And so that is something that my office fights against very frequently. So if you've been involved in an accident and you know it's not your fault, call my office today at lhuntlaw.com. You can reach us below our information and talk to me about it. You'll talk to me.
Do I have any rights when they say it's my fault?
Yes, you absolutely do. Sometimes people think they just have to go by the insurance company's call, but we fight the insurance companies all the time. I've seen insurance companies make a call on fault when they haven't even looked at pictures, when they haven't even talked to witnesses. They'll say, oh, it's your fault. And I say, well, did you talk to this witness? Did you see this report? Oh, they say, oh, no, we didn't, because they want to raise your rates.
Should I call you if they say it's my fault?
Absolutely. If you've been involved in an accident and you don't believe it's your fault, and your insurance company is saying it's your fault or even part your fault, because if they say it's part your fault, I've seen this frequently, they'll say, well, it's 10% your fault. Well, that's called a chargeable offense, and then that gives them the ability to raise your rates or not renew your policy. And that's why they do that sometimes. So if you've been in an accident and it's not your fault, and your insurance company or the other insurance company is saying that it is your fault, call me today or contact me at lhuntlaw.com. I'm always here to answer any questions you have about an accident that you've been in.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.
And you'll find our information below.